If you're someone who wants to score well in economy, today's set of articles is not just important, it's practically a ready-made answer sheet for GS3 Tarankan. Let's walk through it like we would in a real discussion. First, there's an interesting ground reality. MSMEs are still reluctant to switch to PNG, page 15. On paper, cleaner fuel sounds perfect, but in reality, cost, infrastructure, and practicality are slowing adoption. And that's exactly how UPSC frames questions, policy vs implementation gap. Now connect this with the next update. The government says gas supply is under control and PNG usage is growing, page 4. See the contrast? Policy optimism vs field hesitation. This is a classic angle you can use in mains answers. At the same time, households and small vendors are still feeling the heat due to shortages, page 4. This completes the picture. Supply, affordability, and access are all interacting. Whenever you see this kind of 360-degree issue, pause, because that's where good answers are built. Now shifting gears a bit, European airlines racing for Asia's direct traffic, page 15. This tells you one thing clearly: Asia, especially India, is becoming a major aviation and economic hub. This links directly to globalization, trade, and tourism economy. Next comes a very sharp topic: patented drug tariffs, page 15. This is not just economy, it's also health jod trade policy. Think about affordability vs innovation, again, a perfect GS3 jod GS2 overlap. Then an important financial development: RBI approving Emirates NBD stake in RBL Bank, page 15. This is about banking regulation, FDI in financial sector, and trust in India's banking ecosystem. And finally, a subtle but powerful indicator: rising demand for induction heaters, page 15. This might look small, but it reflects changing consumption patterns, energy substitution, and even inflation impact on households. Now if you step back and see, today's economy section is not random news. It's a connected story of energy transition, consumer stress, global competition, and financial evolution. This is exactly how toppers think, not topic by topic, but as a system. That's your edge for today. Absorb it, connect it, and use it smartly. Thank you for watching my video, and if this gave you clarity, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and stay consistent with your preparation.